Hi there. Are you struggling to find a free, reliable alternative to AutoDS and Spocket for your Amazon dropshipping business? Today, I'm going to reveal the best option that's 100% free and even approved in the Amazon App Store. Stick around, this could change your dropshipping game. Let's get real. Amazon hates dropshippers. Why? Late shipments, shady suppliers, and tools that are not approved. Imagine managing your Amazon's dropshipping business without paying hefty subscription fees and shipping directly to Amazon with ease. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Amazon's policies require sellers to use approved apps for order fulfillment. Most tools, they're not on that list. One wrong move and poof, your account's gone. So what's the solution? Meet EPROLO. It's 100% free, approved by Amazon, hiding in plain sight on the Amazon's App Store. EPROLO is a powerful free dropshipping platform that allows you to manage products or orders and even ship directly to Amazon. Yes, you heard that right. You can integrate EPROLO with your Amazon store and it's fully compliant with Amazon's App Store policies. Here's why I personally recommend EPROLO. First, you can ship products directly to Amazon fulfillment centers. Second, unlike AutoDS, Model Inventory Source, Spocket, EPROLO is stored absolutely free. Third, they offer reliable and quick delivery services worldwide. Fourth, Amazon App Store approved. No worries about policy violations. eProlo is not just free, it's built for Amazon FBA. You can source products from 30,000 plus vetted suppliers, auto ship inventory directly to Amazon's warehouse, avoid policy violations with Amazon certified tracking, no monthly fees, no shady workarounds, just pure Amazon friendly profit. So, why I'm mentioning FBA again and again? Why FBA is non negotiable? Before you say, I will just ship to customers myself, stop. Amazon bots track every shipment. If your delivery is late or lacks tracking, you are banned. You heard that right. Apollo fixes this by automating FBA shipments. Amazon stores your inventory, handles shipping, and even deals with angry customers. What you get in return? Prime badges, which boost sales by 300%. Zero customer service nightmares. No risk of suspension. Let's talk about safety. Apollo equal to App Store approved, Amazon App Store approved. FBA integration, Apollo equal to FBA shipping, AutoDS Pocket, inventory source, or model is equal to extra and hidden fees. Even better, suppliers handle FBA labeling and preparation of product. Removing logos and everything, saving you hours. So it's a good thing to start. How to set up eProlo in 5 minutes. Here's my exact process. Install eProlo from Amazon's App Store. Link is below. Connect your seller's central account. Filter products by FBA. Ready in eProlo's catalog. Click order to ship to Amazon FBA. Boom. Suppliers ship to Amazon in 3 to 5 days. Once it's in the warehouse, you are primed ready. No customer emails, no tracking drama, just profit while Amazon does the heavy lifting. While Aprilo is amazing, always remember Amazon has strict dropshipping policies to ensure better sales and protect your account from suspension. It's a smart move to use Amazon's FBA program whenever possible. This ensures faster shipping and better customer satisfaction. So, if you are looking for a cost effective, Amazon friendly dropshipping solution, Eprolo is the way to go. It's free, reliable, and fully compliant with Amazon policies. So, want to slash cost and protect your Amazon account? I have dropped free Eprolo link below. Comment FBA if you want a step-by-step tutorial next week and subscribe. I'm breaking down how to find hidden 10K dollar a month products with Apollo soon. See you in the next one. If you found and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more dropshipping tips. Goodbye.